all the organization in India collapsed. The Bahujan Samaj movement totally collapsed. You cannot fix the pieces of a part which was broken. By fixing the broken pieces, you can show it as a part, but it cannot carry water. It will break down. What my suggestion, what kind of unity we have to bring? See, before Constitution in British India, inside the Parliament, one Mr. Aga Khan raised a question. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, black people are there. But why all red people in Parliament? Because of that, so many reformations took place. But one Muslim has raised a question regarding SC/ST people there. Why the present Muslims are not doing that? And this present scheduled caste leaders also not speaking about this Muslim issue. That's why I am suggesting, see, there are only 3 national characteristic castes are there. One is Brahmin, the second one is Muslim, third one is SC/ST. We are having national character, but thinking regional part. It's a shame on our part. We have to develop national characteristic. Especially, we have to reunite, leave all those things. Whatever happened is happened. We cannot fix it. We have to reunite and we have to restart a movement. That should be very, very new. See, Madam ने inauguration से पहले this Women Day in 1909, where some 15,000 women folk died. Before that, in India, in 1848, Mrs. Savitribai Phule has emerged. For her, one Miss Fatima Sheikh, she taught. She gave training, teaching training. The first school was opened in 1848, January 1st, in Pune. Because of Savitribai, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Baba Saheb Ambedkar emerged. Otherwise, he was not become father of the Constitution. In this way, we are forgetting our own history. We are speaking some other issue. That's why today, at least in the panel session, we have to discuss how to bring unity among this Bahujan Samaj. Bahujan Samaj includes Muslims also. It is not separate. That was initiated by Buddha, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Ambedkar Sahib. In this way, this session should take some initiation how to reunite and how to run a mission which was incompleted by Baba Saheb Ambedkar Kanchana. Jai Hind.
Gopalji, thank you very much. Now we are requesting all the dignitaries on the stage to please take your seats, please. Thank you.